To celebrate Thanksgiving Day, I decided to go camping with my son. His name is Fango. I call him V. Our relationship started when I came to the United States. Since then, he's been stuck to my side whether I'm sad, happy, or bored. His life goal is to stay with me and I with him. I like to sing while I drive. It helps me stay awake.
그대 내게 오지 말아요 두 번 다시 이를 사랑하지 마요 함께 순간만은 천천히 당신과는 천천히 똑같은 베개 베고서 잠이 들면 어디서든
Last time when I went camping, everything was perfect. Beautiful weather, delicious food. I was so happy until I encountered Mr. Raccoon. Mr. Raccoon stole my food and left his signature on my icebox. So this time I had to prepare Mr. Raccoon to keep my food safe. I was told that predators' urine works for them. So I visited Caballas.
Excuse me? I have a stupid question. Do you guys have like coyote urine for raccoons?
We might. Right there, maybe?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
See, it wasn't a stupid question.
I was so happy when I was discovered that coyote urine can keep raccoons away, but I realized that it can also attract other coyotes, which is probably a bit worse than Mr. Raccoon. Instead, I decided to bring apple cider vinegar. Hopefully it'll work. I was trained in the military only about 15 years ago. I know how to survive in nature. Remember, we only need to buy necessary things because in a survival situation, cumbersome belongings means death. Remember, we only need to buy necessary things because in a survival situation, remember, we only need to
Damn, it's cheap. There's no 신라면 here.
Once my cell phone service is disconnected, I can connect to my world. As long as you have cell phone service, it's not real camping.
아, 맛없어.
성우이 help.
This year is almost gone. Time flies. I don't even remember what I have done this year. I find myself surprised every holiday season how quickly time goes by. Every Thanksgiving Day, I look back on what I have done throughout the year and think about all the things what I'm thankful for. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful that V is my son.